Welcome! If you want to show your followers to your friends on Facebook using the latest update on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step, making it super simple to manage who can see your followers list on your timeline. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your account settings without any issues. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on your profile photo to open your account menu. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control all your privacy and account preferences. Now, scroll down and look for the section called Followers and Public Content. Click on it to open more options related to who can see your followers and how your content is shared. Within this section, find the setting labeled Who can see your followers on your timeline. This is where you decide who gets to view your followers list. Click on this option and you'll see several choices. Select Friends if you want only your Facebook friends to see your followers. This way, your followers list won't be visible to strangers or the public, just the people you've added as friends. After you've selected Friends, make sure to click Done to save your changes. That's it. You've now updated your settings so only your friends can see your followers on your timeline. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.